Applying for jobs but not getting responses? Don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. Your resume might be the issue. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Aruna Chauhan, and in this video, we will talk about common resume mistakes and how to fix them. So, many employers use software to filter resumes before a human even can see them. So, in this video, I will highlight some common mistakes and how to fix them. Let's get started. Spelling mistakes and grammatical errors are very common thing in mostly making mistakes. A single typo can make your resume appear unprofessional and careless. Employers seek detail-oriented candidates, so proofreading is essential. Once your resume is ready, I would suggest check, recheck. You may take help of some tools like Grammarly or Microsoft Word's built-in spell checker. Also, I would suggest if you read your resume out aloud or just request a friend to review it for clarity and accuracy. Then submitting the wrong file format can be another mistake. So many companies use ATS system, that is application tracking system, to screen resumes before a recruiter reviews them. If you submit an incompatible file format, the system may not trace your resume correctly and that lead to rejection. So how we can fix that? I would suggest to always submit your resume as a PDF to ensure formatting remains intact. Usually, application tracking systems technology has advanced and can now properly read PDFs and making it the preferred format over any other document. Also, many people make this mistake. They submit JPEG or PNG, but unfortunately, ATS softwares can't extract text from them. So I would suggest to use PDF to apply. Then, using a generic resume for all applications can be one of the reasons for not hearing back from the employers. So a one-size-fits-all approach, I think, significantly reduces your chance of landing an interview. So if you really want to have a call, employers seek candidates who align with their specific job requirements. I would suggest customize your resume for each job application by emphasizing relevant skills, experiences, and achievements. Also, I would suggest mirror keywords and phrases from the job description to increase ATS compatibility. To get these keywords or phrases, I would suggest go over the advertisement again and again or visit the website of the company. ATS system, sometimes when you don't use relevant keywords, so ATS software scan resumes for job specific keywords before passing them to recruiters. So if your resumes lack these keywords, it may be filtered out. And to fix them, identify the key terms from the job posting, particularly skills, certifications, and job responsibility that they have mentioned in their advertisement. Integrate these keywords naturally throughout your resume. I would suggest particularly the skills, experience, and summary section. These three sections are the heart and soul of any resume. Avoid excessive keyword stuffing. If you are using more than enough, ATS tools are designed to detect unnatural usages. Another mistake that usually people make is poor formatting and design. So, an overly complex resume with excessive colors, graphics, or unconventional fonts can minimize your chances of selection because it hinders readability and ATS compatibility. Use a very clean professional format with standard fonts such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Stick to the bullet points for readability rather than long paragraphs. Avoid using excessive tables, columns, text boxes, as they may not be interpreted correctly by ATS. Then, listing job responsibilities instead of achievements. Trust me, employers are not interested in what you did. They want to see how well you performed. So, focus on achievements and measurable impact rather than just listing job duties. Don't list only the duties. Use quantifiable data wherever possible. Instead of saying managed social media accounts, say increased social media engagement by 40% in 3 months through targeted content strategy. Then missing contact information or LinkedIn profile can be one of the reasons you are not hearing anything back from the employers. A resume without accurate contact information makes it impossible for recruiters to reach you. Double check your phone numbers and email address. They should be correct and professional. So, when I say professional email, I would suggest to use your first name and last name rather than any informal address. Also, include a LinkedIn profile if applicable, ensuring it is updated and aligned with your resume. So, these small mistakes can have a big impact on your job search. By making these simple adjustments, you can significantly improve your chances of landing interviews. Subscribe for more career tips and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.